The world of military aviation is ever evolving. New technologies emerge, reshaping the battlefield. Stealth technology has been a game changer for decades. It makes aircraft invisible to radar, giving a huge advantage in combat. The United States has long been a leader in stealth technology, with the F-22 Raptor and F-35 Lightning II as prime examples. Now a new generation of stealth aircraft is on the horizon, and the X-44 Manta is leading the charge. The X-44 Manta is a marvel of engineering, building on the success of its predecessors and taking stealth to a whole new level. The Manta boasts a revolutionary design with a reduced radar cross-section, or RCS. The RCS is how visible an aircraft is to radar, and a smaller RCS means the aircraft is harder to detect. This makes the Manta a ghost in the sky, capable of evading even the most advanced enemy radar systems. But the Manta is not just about stealth. It also possesses incredible speed and maneuverability, allowing it to outrun and outmaneuver its opponents. This makes it a true nightmare for enemy pilots. Additionally, the Manta is equipped with the latest in avionics and weaponry, capable of delivering devastating blows with precision and accuracy. The development of the X-44 Manta is a major achievement for the United States, a testament to the country's technological prowess and a clear signal to its rivals. The US is determined to maintain its military superiority. The Manta's arrival has sent shockwaves across the globe, particularly in Russia and China. The X-44 Manta has sent ripples of concern through the halls of power in both Moscow and Beijing. Russia and China are major military powers, working hard to catch up to the United States in stealth technology. The arrival of the Manta is a stark reminder of the gap that still exists. For Russia, the Manta poses a significant threat to its military ambitions. Russia has long relied on its air force to project power, but the Manta's advanced stealth capabilities undermine Russia's ability to defend its airspace. This is particularly concerning for Russia in the Arctic, a region becoming increasingly strategically important. China also views the Manta with apprehension. Rapidly modernizing its military, China has developed its own stealth fighters, such as the J-20. However, the Manta represents a significant leap forward in stealth technology, calling into question China's ability to defend its airspace against a determined attack. The Manta's arrival has forced both Russia and China to reassess their military strategies. They are now scrambling to develop countermeasures to the Manta's advanced capabilities. It is a game of cat and mouse, and the stakes have never been higher. Faced with the formidable challenge posed by the X-44 Manta, Russia has pinned its hopes on the Sukhoi Su-75 Checkmate, a fifth-generation fighter designed to be a more affordable alternative to the Su-57. The Checkmate is a sleek, single-engine fighter that boasts a blend of design elements reminiscent of the Su-57 and the American F-22 Raptor. The Checkmate is designed to be a highly maneuverable and stealthy aircraft, capable of engaging both air and ground targets. It features a large internal weapons bay to carry a variety of missiles and bombs, minimizing its radar signature. The aircraft is also equipped with an advanced active electronically scanned array radar, or AESA, providing it with excellent situational awareness. However, the Checkmate faces an uphill battle against the technological superiority of the X-44 Manta. The Manta's revolutionary design and next-generation stealth capabilities give it a significant edge in terms of radar evasiveness. While the Checkmate incorporates some stealth features, it is unlikely to match the Manta's near invisibility to enemy radar systems. Furthermore, the Checkmate's development has been plagued by production challenges and the impact of international sanctions. The war in Ukraine has further strained Russia's defense industry, raising questions about the Checkmate's long-term viability. Whether the Checkmate can live up to its billing as a budget-friendly counter to the F-35 and the X-44 Manta remains to be seen. Section 4. The Dragon's Dilemma, China's Quest to Counter the Manta. China, with its ambitious military modernization program, is also grappling with the challenge posed by the X-44 Manta. While China has made significant strides in developing its own stealth fighters, such as the Chengdu J-20, the Manta's technological leap has raised concerns in Beijing. China's response to the Manta has been multifaceted. There are reports of a new tailless fighter-like airframe spotted at a Chinese jet manufacturer's plant. This mysterious aircraft, with its diamond-like delta platform and lack of a tail, has fueled speculation that China is developing its own version of the X-44 Manta concept. In addition to developing new hardware, China is also investing heavily in electronic warfare capabilities and counter-stealth technologies. This includes advanced radar systems designed to detect low observable aircraft and long-range surface-to-air missiles capable of targeting stealthy targets. China's strategy also involves exploiting its numerical advantage in air power by deploying large numbers of less advanced fighters alongside its stealth aircraft. China hopes to overwhelm the defenses of its adversaries. However, it remains to be seen whether this approach can effectively counter the technological edge of the X-44 Manta. Section 5. A Tale of Two Carriers, America's Advantage in the Skies. The X-44 Manta's impact extends beyond its technological prowess. It also highlights the stark contrast in naval aviation capabilities between the United States and its rivals. The U.S. Navy's fleet of nuclear-powered aircraft carriers, with their ability to project power globally, stands in stark contrast to the struggles faced by Russia and China in this domain. Russia's sole aircraft carrier, the Admiral Kuznetsov, has been plagued by operational issues and is considered by many to be more of a liability than an asset. The Kuznetsov, with its outdated systems and reliance on a ski jump ramp for launching aircraft, pales in comparison to the capabilities of American supercarriers. China, while making progress in developing its own aircraft carriers, still lags behind the United States in terms of experience and technological sophistication. The Chinese Navy's carriers are conventionally powered, limiting their range and endurance. They also lack the catapult launch systems used by American carriers, restricting the types of aircraft they can operate. The X-44 Manta, when deployed from American aircraft carriers, will significantly enhance the U.S. Navy's ability to project power and maintain air superiority in contested airspace. This disparity in naval aviation capabilities further underscores the challenges faced by Russia and China in countering the strategic implications of the X-44 Manta.